Hello guys, now I am going to show how to switch on a tab without power button. Look, this tab has no power button. This is a China set tab, X-Touch. First you want to remove the cover of the tab. Then look, this tab is in now in switch off. Look. Now in switch off. I'm going to show how to on this tab. First, off the charger. You remove the plug. So remove the pin. Um, this is the vibrating pin. The vibration is came from here. You can see the VIB vibrate spelling on here. One end I to vibrate. Take a scissor. One end on vibrate, and another end. Look, there is no power button wire also. There is only the power button pin here. Look, there is the power button pin. There will be 4 pins. You have to put the other end at the third pin and other one this end to the vibrate and touch it for some times. Look, it worked. The tab is switched on without the using. Look. Thank you. If you like this video, please like this and subscribe. Thank you. That's all.